Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook stir-fried broccoli with egg and wood ear mushrooms. This is a very healthy recipe. It is vegetarian friendly and also suitable for weight loss. Hope you will like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to soak the wood ear mushrooms. Remember to use hot water. This might take around 7 to 8 minutes for the wood ear mushrooms to be ready. Now we can cut the broccoli into bite sizes. Use a pot to boil some water. When it boils, we need to add half a teaspoon of salt and some cooking oil to it. Put the broccoli and soaked wood ear mushrooms into the pot. Cook for around 5 minutes. Then take them out from the pot. Now crack 2 eggs. Prepare the pan and add some cooking oil to it. Pour the egg into the pan. Stir fry until the egg is cooked. Turn off the heat and take the egg out. Now we need to cut some tomatoes and mince some garlic. Clean the pan and add some cooking oil. Add the garlic. Stir fry until you can smell the flavor of garlic. Add the tomatoes. Stir fry and soon the tomatoes will start to melt. Then we can add the broccoli, wood ear mushrooms, and egg back into the pan. Stir fry and mix well. Add a little salt. 1 spoon of soy sauce. Mix again. Turn off the heat and it is ready. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.